Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to use given to evaluate some statements here. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to type in say and enter number. And then I'm going to create a scalar variable called num and assign it to prompt, which will take the user input. Tell the user what, well, I'll just, we've done that before, we've told the user what to do, enter a number, and then we're going to put .int, so the int converts the input into an integer. Right, now we're going to use the given statement here. Given scalar number and we're going to simply say when when 1, we're going to do something. When 1, we're going to say number is 1. So when the user inputs number 1 into here, this will evaluate it and say 1. Now we're going to come down here onto the next one. When 2, we're going to say number is 2. And we're going to come down here and we're going to say when 3 to 5, the numbers between 3 to 5, we're going to say number between 3 and 5, okay, and we're going to come down here. The last one we're going to do is going to be default. So if it's not one of those numbers, we're going to print a new message. Say unknown entry. Okay. Right, all we're going to do now is save that and we can run the program. Let's type in Raku test.raku, hit enter. So we're going to enter a number here, so I'm going to enter 1. Number is 1. Let's run it again. Test.raku, enter number 2. Number is 2. Test.raku, sorry, made a mistake there. Raku test.raku. I'm going to type in 4 here. Number is between 3 and 5, and the last one, Raku test.raku. Hit enter. I'm going to enter 10. Unknown entry. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.